Pradesh. With regards to the Ramakrishna Mission Rao, now the UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has slammed the Trinamool Congress and the Chief Minister of Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, with regards to the entire row that broke out on the Ramakrishna Mission. Now, Adityanath is saying that it looks like there is a Ravan Raj in Bengal taking a direct jibe at the Mamata Banerjee government. Now remember, just days ago, the Mamata Banerjee government and the CM herself had blamed one of the monks associated with the Bharat Sevashram Sangh. She has blamed him for causing the riots that took place during the Ram Navami procession in Bengal last month. Let's also listen into what the UPCM has to say.
के खिलाफ रामकृष्ण मिशन स्वामी विवेकानंद ने जिस मिशन की स्थापना अपने पूज्य गुरुदेव परमाध्यात्मिक संत परमहंस रामकृष्ण परमहंस जी के नाम पर किया था, आज उन्हें वहां की कांग्रेस गठबंधन का एक सहयोगी उन संतों को धमकी दे रहे हैं, भारत सेवाश्रम संघ के संतों को धमकी दे रहे हैं। ऐसे लगता है जैसे रावण राज हो गया हो, फिर से ये धमकी देंगे, संतों को जीना हराम कर देंगे। इस प्रकार की स्थिति पैदा करने का प्रयास हो रहा है। ये लोग अपने घोषणा पत्र में जिस प्रकार की बातें कर रहे हैं, अनुसूचित जाति, जनजाति और पिछड़ी जाति के आरक्षण को हड़पना चाहते हैं, लोगों के हकों पर भारत के विभाजन को फिर से तैयार करना चाहते हैं, पर्सनल लॉ लागू करके बेटी को स्कूल जाने से वंचित करना चाहते हैं, महिलाओं को बाजार जाने से रोकना चाहते हैं, उनको फिर से बुर्का पहनने के लिए मजबूर करना चाहते हैं। क्या भारत बाबा साहब भीमराव अंबेडकर के संविधान से चलेगा या किसी सरिया कानून से चलेगा?
All right, let's quickly go across to Siddhant, who's joining me on the phone line with more input. Siddhant, the UPCM has clearly placed the Mamata Banerjee government on a sticky wicket because the kind of attack that's being launched by him is, of course, speaking not just for the monks but all the devotees of the Ramakrishna Mission, entirely only making more sense considering he himself is a monk.
Well, that's right. Look, Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh Yogi Adityanath is today in Gazipur, and in fact, Chief Minister is in a way in Samajwadi Party bastion, and perhaps this Gazipur seat and nearby seats have got lots of Muslim votes, and this is the reason that Samajwadi Party have been sweeping Gazipur, Ghosi, Azamgarh seats from last so many years. Now, since Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh Yogi Adityanath is in that belt, he has made couple of points, and since it's the last leg of election campaigning has begun, the 7th phase is going to take place on 1st of June, also in Chief Minister's home city, which is Gorakhpur. Now, he has attacked the Congress and the Alliance Party for threatening the saints of the Ramakrishna Mission, and he says that it looks as if there is Ravan Rajya. So he's comparing the government of West Bengal with Ravan Rajya. Also, he went on to say that the opposition want to implement personal law and deprive our daughters of going to school. Now,
all right, I'm afraid we'll have to leave it at that. Many thanks to you, Siddhant, for bringing in all those inputs. And with that, in fact, it's a quick close from my end. Thank you so much for watching. News and updates continue on CNN News.